the handle set on the left slab. Here's all of my hardware. Here is my push bar for the interior and the raise handle for the exterior. The first step is to attach the top part of the raise handle using this bolt. I'll insert it from the interior side and screw it into the top part of the handle. To attach the bottom part of your raise handle, you're going to need to use the longer screw and the grommet and fasten it to your handle. I'm now ready to install the push bar. I'll screw the cap into the door first, set the push bar, and then add my set screw. The push bar has been set onto that bolt. I can use the set screw and an Allen key and fasten the set screw through the handle.